Alright guys, quick question on this 5 horsepower Briggs electric starter. So originally this shaft was frozen, which stopped this from going up and down. Then this stupid metal piece, which controls this thing going up and down, separated from that. The rubber burnt off or broke off or whatever. Alright. And then, of course, the spring's broken. I mean, I'm sure if I looked around, I could find a spring. The original clip isn't there. I've got a different clip holding it. How do you fix this? How do you get this piece to hook back to this piece so that this thing goes up and down the way it's supposed to? Can it be repaired? And if so, what should I use? And then, what tensile spring should I put in there so that I know it's going to go back and down, back up and down properly? I got another spare starter at the garage I'm going to use in the meantime because, you know, I want this thing that I got a spare engine, you know, and this had an electric starter. I want to add it and make sure I get the 500. So I'm going to get it right now. But in the meantime, I want to know, is there a way I can fix this? You know, if I have to open this up, you know, whatever, that's fine. To get in here, to swap this out, whatever. If anybody's replaced one of these before, let me know. Otherwise, I'll look up a video on it and see. But I need to know how to, I guess, replace the Bendex and the spring. That's what needs to be put in here. Is it even worth fixing, or can I get one on eBay for the price I would pay for the parts? But let me know. All right? Thanks.